doing our obligatory cabin video. We're in 7674, all the way at the back of the ship. There's our little cruise magnet. So let's go see inside.
Welcome.
All right. So let's just do the main part here first. Nice size. We got a full-size couch. There are some rooms that just have like a little, I don't know if it's a one-person couch or a giant chair or what it is, but we got a nice size couch and our bed. And let's look at this closet. Royal Caribbean does have Celebrity Beat on the closet space. All right, so we got room for hanging stuff here. Got all these shelves we can put stuff on. More hanging room, so we each got our own section this time. And then there's a shelf up here. That's where they keep the life jackets, plus you can put some more stuff up there. Two hooks here to hang your jackets, sweaters, whatever. Got an old school thermostat there, but it works great. Okay, so the bathroom, just a standard cruise ship bathroom. What the comedians say last night, it was like showering in a tube.
Yes.
Like those tubes at the bank, you know? So.
I feel like a deposit slip.
Yeah. Toilet. Sink. And behind that mirror there's storage too. So even more storage. So got a nice lighted mirror. The desk. More drawers. Let's see. There's also, hello, storage behind this mirror. Whoa.
Yeah, the storage space is used very efficient.
Yeah, got more storage here. Just loads of storage on this ship. Whoa, ship's rocking, I'm about to fall. Okay, I'm good. Got more storage over here.
The bedding is extra comfortable.
Oh my gosh, it is so comfortable. And nightstand on each side, which has storage in them as well. The TV on the ship is much smaller than what we had on Edge, but we don't really watch the TV anyway, so. All right, and the big reveal, this balcony is awesome. You know, normally you have just enough room to go out there and sit down, but do a lap around the balcony, honey. Let them see how big this balcony is. It's huge. So yeah, we slept with the door on. I mean, with the door open every night, and it's been wonderful. We get to hear that water. And we even had an unexpected visitor one night. Whoa. Left the door open and a bird flew in. We called maintenance. Maintenance came and got the poor little bird. All right, now let me trip over this. Isn't this awesome? Yeah. You like this one?
Wow.
And we played Scrabble games out here on the balcony with our table and chairs. We haven't ordered room service breakfast out here because that's one of the negatives. Celebrity does not charge for room service. Royal Caribbean does.
It's a flat rate, but still.
Yeah. All right, here's there's the view from the balcony inside our cabin. And yeah, we would definitely sell with Royal again. All right, you want to say bye?
Bye. Wish y'all were here.
Yeah, we'll be home tomorrow.